Hey, it's a brand new day on Gilliam Farms, and we got Joe Fix It for you right here in Oklahoma fixing stuff. So we're gonna
North Georgia.
all the way from North Georgia. We're putting new faux blinds on the house here. So shutters. Oh, I'm sorry. Shutters. Faux shutters. Shutters. Faux shutters.
Where'd you get them shutters?
Got them from Heard That Outdoors out of Texas. That'd be Julie and Randy. So and that's the way you do it, folks. Faux shutters. Look here. We got Lisa.
Oh, I didn't know you
and we got Joe Fix It for you. And we got new faux shutters on the house. And they look fantastic. So we got these shutters from Julie and Randy at Heard That Outdoors out of Texas. Joe Fix It for you installed them. I just kind of assisted.
The better half of Lazy Days Ahead.
And the better half of Lazy Days Ahead was here supervising, and that's the reason why it got done. So here we are, guys. Great job. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, it's a couple of days after we put these faux blinds on, and I just wanted to show you these. These are made of cedar. This is all cedar wood. It's a rough cedar. These are cast iron stars that go on them. So the cast iron stars, they just actually, you screw a screw in there and they actually have a slot that they fit on. So we have them screwed down. So it's got the real nice cast iron stars on it. But that's that window. And we've got the other window over here. Okay, this house only had 2 faux blinds on it. Like I said, real nice rough cedar, and the stars. And the stars actually match the big star, excuse my hunting clothes and stuff that are hanging here because I've been hunting. The star right up there. So we've got a star up there on the peak of the house. Well, you know, that wasn't the only thing that we did while they were out here, and I didn't video this, and I should have, because this was something else. Okay, so what we did was we bought a Craftsman building kit 327 square feet, 7'4" by 7'1" 1¼ inches. Came in this right here. And so what happened was we decided to put this together, and so they came out and we put it together. So we were first going to build it without a platform underneath it because we didn't realize it needed a platform. Well, then we found out that we needed to build a platform to make sure this thing was good and level. Let's see if I can look inside of it. So this is it from the inside. It's got some skylights and things in it. It's got some little vents up in the caps and stuff like that. And it's all good and sturdy because it's got 3/4 inch plywood underneath all this. So this is a little she shed for Christine. But it was ourselves, let's see, myself, Chris, Johnny, Joe Fix It For You, and Ginger, and Jesse and Lisa all worked on this one while Christine was working. She was inside working. She works from home. But it's all completed. It's got a nice little base under it. Turned into a nice little shed. Be really nice out here in the garden. So anyway, we got some okra still. Look at that. Some okra. A little bit left. It's been cold, guys. It's frosted a couple of nights now. But anyway, there is the little shed. I can tell you what, it was almost like working cows building this thing. And you'll know what I mean if you know what people say when they're working cows. Anyway, it's together, and we are happy that it's together. But anyway, we got the little she shed built. We got the faux blinds up on the house. And yeah, they look really nice. So if you like this type of video of a couple little projects we did in a collaboration with great friends of ours, then like, comment, subscribe. We'll continue to bring more content in the future as available. And as always, everybody, God bless. Oh, that's gorgeous. Makes it pop.
I can't
Just
loosen
like
it
that.
enough to. Unless the head just doesn't come out.
It's gonna come up and then out.
Oh darn.